1, 2, 3, 4. Hi everyone. Today I want to teach you a very famous blues riff on a 6 string and 5 string. You can use 5 chords or power chords, something, but we say 5 chords. Finger 1 on 6 string, fret 5, and third finger on 7th fret, string 5. You have to use shuffle it with your right hand. And mix with your fourth finger on 9th fret. Then go to D chords, D5. Every fingers move one lower string. One finger 1 on fret 5, string 5, and finger 3 on 4th string, 7th fret. Look at this. So I start again. You have just 3 chords again: A5, D5, and E5. And you have to mix it together to play a 12-bar blues in A. You can shift it in any fret you want. You can start from 3 on 6th string, fret 3 on 6th string, and it goes on G tonality. We say 12-bar blues in G. You can go anywhere if you want to change the tonality. Just learn strumming, blues strumming on 2 string. You can use palm mute if you want or not. Then mix it with just these 3 chords. Have a bluesy day. Bye.